You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. We've seen this very little move to the upside, and right now Bitcoin is trading at 16.5k. And if you look at the 4-hour chart right here, I was talking about market heading to the downside, and we see this very move from here to this level of resistance, and on ETH as well, this sharp move to the upside to this level of resistance. So what are we expecting in the market? Because I was talking about markets going back down to the $1,000 level at this area. Are we going to see the market come back down approaching that level, or the market is going to go up as we see this very move in the market? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video on the BTC USD 1-day chart. If you look at this area, we have a very nice support at this very point, but looking at this breakout, is the market actually break out with this candle that closed below every other close on this level of support, and market bounce back to the upside? Is this market going to move to the upside? I am still very much bearish on the market right now, in as much as I am seeing this very move right now. I'm still expecting the market to see move a little bit to the upside, but the market have to come back down, guys, because if you look at the 1-week chart, the market is heading to the downside, and that is very important on the 1-day chart as well. In as much as we see this little move in the market to the upside, the market will still head back down from this very level of resistance from here to the downside. So I am still paying attention to market coming back down, in as much as we are seeing this little move to the upside right now on the 1-day chart. Then on the 4-hour chart, I said you should take a position after this breakout, and if you do, markets move in our favor, and right now is against us. What I am expecting, in as much as your stop loss is above this very resistance, like I said, I'm expecting market to come back down. That means from here, this level of resistance right now, as market to come back to the downside. As market come back to the downside, I will hint you guys either to close the position a little loss, or we leave the market for it to still come back down approaching our target. So expect the market to come back down from this area of resistance where the market is right now. Expect the market to come back down. Even though you see a little move to the upside, this market will still move to the downside with good correction. Reason why, if you look at this very move, this very candle seems to be aggressive in this very one, and right now at this very area there is a reduction in momentum. Not only that, there's a lot of spike on the candle wicks around this very area. That also signifies that the markets have no interest in moving to the upside very aggressively. Rather, we should expect retracement of this little move to the upside. And on ETH, the same thing, a breakout, market come back down, and right now this move to the upside. Remember, we've not created any higher high yet from this very high, so market is still in the downtrend. Expect the market to move down from this area where the market is right now. Expect a downward move from here to the downside. Okay, now once that happens as well, I will be monitoring this and see where the market. So once this happens, you need to monitor your position if you take a trade at the breakout of this very level of support. So this is what you should be paying attention to right now. If you take this trade to the downside and you're still in the position right now, just like myself, so that is what you should do. Now you have to understand one thing, that fake out in the market after a breakout is very common in the market, but you cannot actually eliminate it absolutely from your trading. Sometimes you experience fake out, just like this market move a little bit to the upside and all of a sudden a large move to the upside. That means it was a faker. The same thing on the 1-day chart here, market move a little bit and all of a sudden market move right back to the upside. So you cannot eliminate fake out 100% out of your trading when you're trading breakout. Sometimes you have to experience some little fake out or false breakout in the market and market will still go in your favor in as much as you are trading the right breakout trading strategy. So this is what you should be paying attention to right now in the market. Market to come back down on ETH, and on BTC market to come back down as well in form of a retracement, and on BTC USD 1-day chart I am still expecting the market to come back down on the longer time. No matter how the market move a little bit to the upside, I am still paying attention to the market going back down because the 1 week chart is heading to the downside. So that is what I am paying attention to right now. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video and the registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.